good hands. I'm not worried at all.
Thank you.
Okay, it's 1:31. Okay, welcome everyone to this class, the video editing workshop. My name is Loretta Tam. I've met many of you, I suppose. And together with me, our manager, Cherry. Cherry, please wave. So thank you for coming. Before we start, before I pass the time to our teacher, Dr. Jasper, let me introduce his background. Dr. Jasper is a senior leader in the Lingnan University, the Office of Service Learning. And he has taught us before, and the classes were very well received, often over 100 participants. Dr. Jasper has a master's degree in Chinese studies. Amazing. I found it because I think Chinese is so complicated, hard to learn. And he earned his PhD in comparative literature, focus on film studies. So, you know, we have a guru over here teaching us today. And let's see what else. Dr. Jasper earned his credentials and training as being a facilitator from the Stanford D School, the design school. So today you're gonna get your hands dirty and try a lot of tools and techniques. And so I wish you guys have fun. And before I pass the time to Dr. Jasper, let's give a warm round of applause to welcome Dr. Jasper.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, someone claps. Thank you. All right. Yeah, Dr. Jasper.
Yes, thank you again for that wonderful introduction, Loretta. So I'll get started right